Mysterious U.S. space plane orbits Earth for 900 days, 900 consecutive days, but yet there's a media blackout on this. U.S. Space Force's X-37B space plane keeps extending its flight duration record, mysteriously orbiting around the Earth for 900 days, according to reports. The reusable Boeing space plane is flying its sixth mission, known as Orbit Test Vehicle 6, or OTV-6, which was initially launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, Florida, May 17, 2020. Nobody knows when the top-secret mission is scheduled to end. On July 7, Boeing Space tweeted that X-37, quote, has set another endurance record, as it has on every mission since it first launched in 2010, end quote. Activist Post reports many of OTV-6 experiments and activities are classified, but some experimental payloads have been made public, such as the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory's photovoltaic radio frequency antenna module. It's a small device that converts solar power into radio frequency microwave energy. Space.com expands more on the non-classified experiment and technologies being used. They said technologies being tested in the X-37B program include advanced guidance, navigation and control, thermal protection systems, avionics, high-temperature structures and seals, conformal reusable insulation, lightweight electromagnetic flight systems, advanced propulsion systems, advanced materials, and autonomous orbital flight, re-entry, and landing, end quote. The X-37B is similar to the retired space shuttle, although the space plane is a fraction of the size, coming in at 29 feet in length and 9.5 feet in height, with a wingspan of 15 feet. Boeing boasts the X-37B as one of the world's newest and most advanced re-entry spacecraft. It can operate anywhere from 150 to 500 miles in altitudes and deorbit with landing capabilities. While there are rumors or theories that the X-37B might be a test bed for orbital weapons or could be used to capture adversary satellites, experts doubt these claims, arguing that the plane is far too small and not maneuverable enough to be used for those roles, Space.com said. It's anybody's guess when the top-secret plane will return to Earth. These are a list of the previous flights. OTV-1 launched April 22nd, 2010, landed December 3rd, 2010, spending over 224 days in orbit. OTV-2 launched March 5, 2011, landed June 16, 2012, spent over 468 days in orbit. OTV-3 launched December 11, 2012, and landed on October 17, 2014, spending over 674 days in orbit. OTV-4 launched May 20th, 2015, and landed May 7, 2015, spending nearly 700 and that's wrong, it must be 14 and 16. Nearly 718 days in orbit. OTV-5 launched September 7, 2017 and landed on October 27, 2019, spending nearly 780 days in orbit. Meanwhile, Space Force detected last week that China's secretive reusable space plane released a mystery object in orbit. We don't know what it is, they're not telling us here. Now, this is by Sean Adelton with Tobiah News Punch. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.